Welcome to English Evolution Step 1. Do you want to speak English in real life with confidence? In today's lesson, we learn daily routine actions with easy sentences. Stay with me. It's simple, clear, and useful for your everyday life. A day in my life. Every day begins with the morning sun. At 7 o'clock, I wake up and slowly stretch my arms. I yawn because I am still sleepy, but soon I feel ready to start the day. I wash my face with cool water and brush my teeth carefully. Then I comb my hair and put on my shirt. I tie my shoes, pack my bag, and check the time. It is almost 8, so I lock the door and leave home for school. At school, I open my book and read a short story. I listen to the teacher and sometimes raise my hand to answer questions. I write new words in my notebook and copy sentences from the board. When I don't understand, I ask for help. The teacher tells me to repeat the words, and I try again. I also spell my name and count numbers. Sometimes I draw a picture or share my pen with a friend. We sit together and learn new things. School is busy, but I enjoy it. At noon, I eat lunch with my classmates. I drink juice and talk with friends. After school, I walk home. At home, I rest on the sofa and watch TV for a short time. Then I play games with my brother. I also help my mother in the kitchen and wash my hands before eating. Later, I do homework and read again to practice. Sometimes I go outside to run, jump, or play ball. I kick the ball and my friend tries to catch it. We smile, clap, and laugh together. It is fun to talk and dance in the yard. In the evening, my family gathers for dinner. We eat dinner at 7. I talk with my parents and laugh with my brother. After dinner, I listen to music or draw again. I write homework and then clean the table. My sister helps to wash dishes, and I also relax before bedtime. Sometimes we pray together. Evening is a time for family and peace. At home, there are many small jobs. I sweep the floor and mop the kitchen. I wash clothes and hang them outside to dry. Later, I fold clothes and make my bed. I open the window for fresh air and then close the door. I water the plants in the garden and feed the cat. Sometimes I carry a bag or put away toys. I also clean my room and wash a cup. After that, I dry the cup, fold paper, and open a box to check my things. When I finish, I close the box, bring water, and give food to my little brother. Helping at home makes me proud. At night, I prepare for sleep. I take a shower and change clothes. I brush my teeth again and wash my face. Then I put on pajamas and read a book in bed. I say goodnight to my family. I turn off the TV and turn off the light. I lie down and rest. Soon I sleep at 10 and begin to dream. Sometimes on Sunday, I wake up later, but usually I sleep early. The weekend is special. On Saturday, I visit my friend and we play football. We also go shopping and buy food. At home, I cook with my mother and eat cake. In the afternoon, I go to the park and ride my bike. I take photos and enjoy the fresh air. On Sunday, I visit the park again. I swim in the pool and travel to town with my family. We buy toys and eat ice cream. I take a photo with my sister, and later we watch a movie together. The weekend is full of joy, and I always enjoy the day. My day does not end with sleep. Every morning feels like a new chance to grow. When the alarm rings, I wake up early and sometimes yawn before I move. I wash my hands and brush my hair. Then I put on my shirt and tie my shoes. I pack my bag with books and pencils. Before leaving, I check the time, lock the door, and leave home. The street is busy, but I walk with energy. At school, the teacher says, "Open your book." I open my book and start to read. Later, I close the book and copy the sentences. I spell my name and count numbers. The teacher asks me to repeat the words, and I try again. Sometimes I ask questions, and sometimes I answer them. I share my pen with a friend who forgot his. We sit together and laugh. School is full of learning, and I feel happy. After school, the afternoon is full of fun. I run in the yard and jump high. My friends and I dance and sing songs. We clap our hands and smile at each other. We talk about our favorite games, then we play ball. I kick the ball, and my friend tries to catch it. We laugh again. These small actions make the afternoon bright. Later, I go home and study. I open my notebook and write words. I read a story and learn a song. I repeat the lesson many times. I draw a picture and color it. I count again and spell again. At last, I finish homework. My parents are proud when I show them my work. Evening comes, and I help at home. I carry a bag of food. I put away toys and clean my room. I wash a cup and dry the cup. I fold paper for school. I open a box to check my books and then close the box. I bring water to the table and give food to my little brother. Helping at home makes me feel useful. At night, I prepare for sleep. I change clothes and brush my teeth again. I wash my face and read a book. I say good night to my family. I turn off the TV and turn off the light. I lie down in bed and rest. Soon I sleep at 10 and begin to dream. Sometimes I wake up later on Sunday, but usually I sleep early. The weekend is special. On Saturday, I visit the park and ride my bike. I play football with friends. Sometimes I swim in the pool. My family likes to travel to town. We buy toys and eat ice cream. I take a photo with my sister. In the evening, we watch a movie together. On Sunday, I visit my friend again. We go shopping and buy food. At home, I cook with my mother and eat cake. We go to the park and take photos. I always enjoy the day. This routine repeats every week, but each day feels new. The small actions, waking, washing, reading, helping, playing, all build my life. They are simple, but they are important. When I study English, I see that these actions are also English words. I can say them, read them, and use them. My daily life becomes my English lesson. Great job! You now know important English words and sentences from the Daily Routine Actions lesson. Practice them every day, and you will feel stronger in your English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Evolution Step 1 for more easy lessons that help you grow step by step.